Hi everybody, I'm Prachi Chaudhary and this is PawChain, a blockchain powered donation platform that brings full transparency to dog rescue funding. Have you ever come across an injured dog while on your evening walks and you wanted to help but you did not know how? Do you also come across those ads on Instagram showing sick dogs and asking for donations where you do want to help but you're just worried that it might be a scam? This is why we have PawChain. It is a decentralized donation platform built on Stellar blockchain using Sorban smart contracts exclusively for our fur babies and the kind souls who want to help them. Every donation made through PawChain is recorded permanently on the Stellar blockchain, so donors always know where their money goes and which dog it helps. The goal behind PawChain is simple: help street dogs get food, treatment, and shelter. Second, support verified feeders and NGOs. Third, prevent donation fraud through on chain transparency. With just a few clicks, anyone can donate XLMs directly to a registered rescuer without any intermediaries or hidden handling fees. What you can see on your screen is the PawChain dashboard. It pulls live data directly from the Stellar Soroban blockchain, which is not a database. We can here see the total number of dogs registered, total active feeders, and the total donations and expenses that will be made in the future will also show up here. Below that is the recent activity feed, which shows every blockchain event in real time, like the new dogs that have been rescued or feeders being registered. Let's start now by registering a new feeder. This is how NGOs and volunteers identify themselves on chain. Let's say my name is Dia. I am an individual feeder. My location is Naya Raipur and my contact information is hi at the rate gmail.com. Here, when I click register, I get messages and the Frighter wallet pops up. Let me confirm the transaction, and yay, the feeder has been registered successfully, which is what I can see over here. Like you can see the active feeders and NGOs, the number went up from 6 to 7, and we can just see that the feeder number 7 has been registered Dia right now. And over here as well, we now have a new registered feeder. Let's now move on to registering a dog. Okay, we have two dogs already registered. Let's start with a new one. Let's just say the dog's name is Dog. He is 7 years old. He is a golden retriever. Location is, say, Finland. Yeah, whatever. He is sick, and what he has is rabies. Very sad, but let's just say. Yeah, and now we're gonna register the dog. It's going to ask us for gas fees. Let's just confirm the transaction on the Flighter wallet. And here we go. The dog has been registered. Let's refresh this. And yay, we have our golden retriever named Dog. He is again gonna show up on a dashboard. Total dogs registered, the count went up from 2 to 3, and we can see it on the recent activity card as well. This activity feed is a key part of the platform. Donors don't just send money and hope that it's used well. They can see every single rescue, every single feeder, and eventually every donation and medical expense, all verifiable from the ledger. Here, we don't need any screenshots or any WhatsApp updates. Everything is traceable via chain. Next, over here are the pages for donations and expenses and the treatments that are going to be recorded as they happen. All of this runs on a Soroban smart contract, which manages dogs, feeders, donations, and expenses as strongly typed data structures. Here, This is my account on Stellar with which I made the smart contract, and over here we can all see all of the functions that have been invoked, and here is the deployed smart contract you can very clearly see on stellar.expert. PawChain brings transparency and trust to animal rescue funding using blockchain where it actually makes sense. I'm very grateful for RiseIn for conducting the Build on Stellar Bootcamp in IIIT NR Raipur and giving us a platform to ideate and create. The next steps for PawChain are enabling a live adoption feature where users can view rescued dogs in their area who need a home, and to make PawChain accessible to more people. We don't want donations to require a Stellar wallet or the Fighter extension. Our next goal is to support popular Web3 wallets, email login, and also allow UPI donations while still storing every transaction on chain for transparency. If you would like to help test, collaborate, or support the project, please do reach out with the links in the description. And thank you so much for watching.